Congratulations on the purchase of your new Orbi. Cleaning can be complicated, so with Orbi, we kept things simple. In just a few easy steps, Orbi will be ready to go. Each box contains Orbi, self-empty charging station, a spare dust bag, 2 side brushes, a spare filter, a cleaning tool, your owner's manual, quick start guide, and warranty card. Before starting, remove the protective pieces from Orbi's bumper and station. First, install the bot side brush. Place the side brush over the empty socket on Orbi. Press down firmly until it clicks into its locked position. If the side brush is secure, you should hear and feel 2 consecutive snaps as it locks into place. Then power Orbi on. Press and hold the go button until the screen lights up. Next, set up Orbi's charging station. Place the charging station over the sockets on the charging bed. The sockets on the charging bed fit into the charging station on its front. Position the charging station against a wall on a hard, flat surface, away from edges and stairs, with plenty of empty space around it. To charge Orbi manually, place him on his charging bed with the metal nodes on his back resting against the plates on the station. To send Orbi to the charging station, press the charge button on Orbi. When Orbi is charging, the battery indicator on the screen blinks slowly. When fully charged, the battery indicator shines white. Download the bObsweep mobile app on your iOS or Android mobile device. Create your account and connect the app to your Amazon Alexa or Google Home device for voice control. Follow the instructions to connect your bot and gain access to Orbi's full suite of features and important software updates. Equipped with room-to-room cleaning technology, Orbi automatically explores, maps, and cleans your home in straight lines, avoiding furniture and obstacles along his path. For best navigation results, keep all doors open and remove any clutter before Orbi starts his work, and press the Go button on Orbi. You can also send Orbi to clean through the bObsweep app. When Orbi is low on battery, the battery indicator blinks rapidly, and he automatically returns to his charging station. By default, Orbi self-empties his dustbin after he's done cleaning. It can be a loud experience, but it's almost necessary for the first few times. Orbi cleans the house since he will fetch debris from under the furniture and other hard-to-reach areas. If after a while you notice Orbi does not need to self-empty after every clean, check his dustbin after he's done cleaning and define how often Orbi self-empties under Cleaning Preferences on the bObsweep app. Do not pick up Orbi while cleaning to avoid distorting his map. And do not change the location of Orbi's charging station after he's done mapping the house. The bObsweep app gives you personalized control over Orbi's cleaning. Use it to schedule Orbi and design your customized cleaning experience. Happy cleaning!